Welcome to Bar Surfers International Drinking Game.
Hey, my voice is gone. Listen up.
Listen up!
What are we gonna do? Alright, on the count of 3, I'm gonna say go. These guys are gonna start drinking. As soon as
First
they
two
come,
only.
They're gonna slam the cup on the ground. As soon as they slam the cup on the ground, then the next person starts. As soon as you're done, you slam yours. Then the next person. You got it? On the count of 3. I need all the prizes.
Yeah, 1 sec. Hey, can you record this? Record this.
Alright. You guys ready? Uno, dos, tres, go, go, go. No. These guys. Slam it. Yeah.
Drink it! No, you stop that.
I got the prize.
No, finish it. Smash it, he's gonna come back.
Kill it! Final round! Yo, let's get some prizes! Mahala!
Where's my other girl at? Where's that?
Give the girls these Malibu Strong. This. It's a Malibu Strong. It's like a. Check it out. Open it up. Check it out.
Okay.